Hello, sports fans, and welcome to the Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Thanksgiving Day Thursday Night Football postgame show. The New Orleans Saints beat the Atlanta Hawks 26-18 at Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta in the AFC South rematch tonight. And the Saints just had quite a game tonight, and they jumped out to the early 7-0 lead, and they really just never let up. And Atlanta, they scored 2 touchdowns and had two field goals, but it just was not enough. And I mean, they had several opportunities to score in this game, and they were not able to capitalize on a lot of their scoring opportunities. And Matt Ryan got sacked 4 times. The Saints sacked Matt Ryan 4 times, and tonight in this game, and the Falcons had 4 interceptions that really did them in tonight, and they had a 2-point conversion that got called back, but then they had to. Then the next time they had the ball, they got a field goal out of it, and they had a chance in the final minute, but then the Saints capitalized and they deflected it, and they stopped the Falcons, and that led the Saints to get the win and also to win the NFC South division, and the Saints are now the NFC South champions, and they have secured a playoff spot in the first round of the playoffs, a playoff spot and the first round bye. Excuse me. And as for Atlanta, they come up on the short end of the stick, and they just were not able to score in the first quarter or the third quarter, and that's what did them in. Besides the interceptions, they also had some turnover on downs, and there was one time where they dropped the ball and the Saints got the ball back, and that's what secured their win. And it just wasn't Atlanta's night. I mean, they kept the game close, and there was only an 8-point loss for them, but it just was not a good night for the Falcons. But for the Saints, I have to tip my hat and give credit to where credit is due, and that's to the New Orleans Saints. And I have 3 game balls and 3 turkey legs to give out, with it being Thanksgiving night. Drew Brees, 18 of 30, carries and attempts, 184 yards, 1 touchdown, and no interceptions. Jared Cook, 3 receptions, 85 yards, and Alvin Kamara, 2 carries, 4 receptions, 61 yards rushing, 23 yards passing, and no touchdowns, no interceptions. So those are the game balls for tonight, and for all 3 games that you saw today. And right now I am 1-2. My brother-in-law is 2-1 because he took the Bears and they won today over Detroit 24-20, and the Buffalo Bills upset Dallas 26-15 in Big D, and we both took Dallas, but I took the Lions and lost in that one. So I'm 1-2. My brother-in-law is 2-1, and I'll have the rest of the picks for you on Sunday. And don't forget, the Browns will play the Steelers this week in Pittsburgh. You can be sure tension is going to be high between those 2 teams, but I think the Browns are going to get the win in that one. And just be sure that the Browns are going to be ready to play, and the Steelers are going to be juiced up for that game. And we got a big, the 2 best teams in the NFL are going to be scoring off in Baltimore. The Baltimore Ravens and the San Francisco 49ers are going to be scoring off in Baltimore, and that's going to be one heck of a game, I think. The New England Patriots will be playing the Houston Texans this Sunday, and they've got to really get back to their running game and really get that back on track. And the Seattle Seahawks will play the Minnesota Vikings on Monday Night Football this week, so watch for that. So that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 NFL Thanksgiving Day Thursday Night Football postgame show. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving with your family and friends. And this has been a great day of NFL football. And I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone. And salute, and one more time, salute the men and women who are serving in the military and the armed forces. The Army, the Air Force, the Marines, and the Navy. And who could not be home to join their loved ones on this Thanksgiving Day. But I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving, and always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. I'll see you on Sunday for Scout Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday. But until, so long everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.